Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Google Forms submissions to Sheets automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Google Drive. Click on New, then select Google Forms. Create your form by adding questions as needed. Once your form is ready, click on the Responses tab. Next, click on the green Sheets icon to create a linked Google Sheet. This will automatically create a new spreadsheet for your form responses. Once the spreadsheet opens, go to the Extensions menu. Select Apps Script from the drop-down options. In the Apps Script editor, you'll see a default function template. You can delete this template and start fresh. First, we need to create a function for handling form submissions. Type the following code to set up the function on form submit, inside the curly braces, you'll write the code to authenticate submissions. Use the variable to access submitted data. You can log the submitted data for debugging purposes by typing logger.log e.values. To authenticate submissions, you can validate responses against a predefined list. This list can be stored in your sheet or within the code itself. For example, you can create an array of valid email addresses. Next, use an if statement to check if the submitted email is in your array. If it is valid, proceed to save the data. If it is invalid, you can log that the submission was rejected. To save valid submissions, use var_sheet equals spreadsheet app.getActiveSpreadsheet.getActiveSheet sheet.appendRow e.values. Make sure to authorize your script to access your Google Sheets. Save your script by clicking the disk icon. To set a trigger for the function, click on the clock icon in the Apps Script toolbar. Choose Add Trigger. Select your function name, then choose from Form and On Form Submit. Save the trigger settings. Go back to your Google form and preview it. Fill out the form with a test submission using both valid and invalid data. Check your Google Sheet to verify the data is being recorded correctly. Review the log in the Apps Script editor for any errors or messages. This process will ensure that only authenticated submissions are recorded in your Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.